Hi everyone and welcome back. So finally Samsung has announced the long-awaited Galaxy S24 and these are the top new features. Starting off with software updates. Samsung has announced that they will be giving up to 7 years of software updates and these are not security patches. They will be Android OS updates for 7 years and Samsung is going to start this with Galaxy S24. Next we are getting Tap Assist that basically translates any language in any messaging app and you can reply in that same language all without leaving or moving to another app for translation. Samsung has also made some updates to Android Auto with One UI integration. Voice Recorder app is also getting a little update where it can differentiate between two conversations and it can also make a summary for you. In the same way, Samsung Notes can summarize all your messy notes into bullet points and this will all happen on device, so all the data is absolutely safe. After that we have some awesome AI features in partnership with Google. And Samsung has now also introduced generative AI to Galaxy. Now you can search for any object in any image just by making a circle around it and they are calling it as Circle to Search. Talking about camera, Samsung has announced nightography with amazing images in low light. With the use of AI, noise reduction and details will be added to images. Samsung has also collaborated with Instagram and Snapchat for uploading HDR images to social media platforms. These apps will be also optimized for Galaxy S24. Rest we are getting AI tools like Generative Fill that will allow you to edit images like a pro. Quick Share will be now default way to send files across almost any Android device. Thanks to Google for accepting Quick Share as a new way of file sharing. And how we can forget the all-new titanium finish with Galaxy S24 Ultra, while regular models won't be having this finish. Samsung has also introduced Corning Gorilla Glass armor with Galaxy S24 Ultra that has 4 times more scratch resistance. Rest we are getting upgraded specs like Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy S24 Ultra everywhere with 12GB of RAM and 256GB as well as 512GB of internal storage. At the end I have a bad news that Galaxy S24 Ultra is now $100 more expensive at $1299. Also Galaxy AI features will be free for the first few years. After that Samsung can ask for a subscription fee. So these were some of the main highlights with Galaxy S24. Make sure to subscribe as I'll be getting my hands on this phone pretty soon. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.